Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a common YouTube frustration, when the playback speed controls stop working properly. Whether the speed options are missing, not responding, or videos continue playing at normal speed despite your selection, I've got you covered with these practical solutions for 2025. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. Playback speed issues often stem from browser cache problems, outdated players, or extension conflicts. First, let's try the simplest solution: refresh the YouTube page. Sometimes a temporary glitch can affect player controls. Press Ctrl plus F5, or CMD plus Shift plus R on Mac, to perform a hard refresh that clears the page cache. Then click the gear icon and check if the playback speed options are now working. If that doesn't work, let's clear your browser cache and cookies specifically for YouTube. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the clearance dialog. Select All Time for time range, check Cookies and other site data, and Cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Sign back into YouTube and test the playback speed controls again. Now, let's check if you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers can have compatibility issues with YouTube's player. Update Chrome, Firefox, or whichever browser you're using to the latest version, then test the playback speed feature. If you're still having issues, let's try disabling your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, video controllers, or other extensions can interfere with YouTube's playback speed functionality. Temporarily disable them and see if that resolves the problem. For persistent playback speed issues, try using YouTube in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps determine if the issue is related to your browser profile or extensions. If playback speed works in incognito mode, you may need to reset your browser profile. If the problem continues, try using a different browser altogether. This will help identify if the issue is browser-specific. You can also try the YouTube mobile app to see if the playback speed feature works there. As a last resort, you can try resetting your YouTube player. While on a YouTube video, right-click the player twice and select Stats for Nerds. Note the player ID, then clear your browser cache again. This sometimes resets stubborn player issues. I know how frustrating it is when YouTube's playback speed feature doesn't work, especially when you're trying to watch content at your preferred pace. One of these solutions should restore your playback speed controls. For most users, clearing cache or updating their browser does the trick. If this guide helped you fix your YouTube playback speed issues, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.